Hi, my name is Sebastian. Today we're going to learn about volcanoes. We're not going to make a real one. Now we have to wait a minute. Now we have to wait for 45 minutes. I'm gonna grab a book. Has it been 45 minutes? Wow, volcano! Now I have to wait guys for 2 days.
2 days later.
Right, now we have a volcano. Now we need to look like a volcano. Lava's hot. I'm painting it red. Now I'm heading the gray rock. Now we're adding some lava to make it very cool. Almost done. It looks like a volcano. Now time to see a volcano in action. Hannah, clear! Thanks for looking.